We are diving into the thrilling world of budget-friendly drones, and we will got some incredible options lined up for you. If you are ready to elevate your aerial photography and FPV game without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Get ready to explore the skies these drones. Check out the drone links provided in the description below. Let's take off. First up, meet the GPRC SeaLog 4K Pro camera drone. Packed with features like GPS, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a 3-axis gimbal, this drone is a powerhouse in the sky, boasting a 3-kilometer range, 22 to 25 minutes of flight time, and a 110-degree camera lens. The GPRC E7 is ready to capture every detail of your aerial adventures. Let's take it for a spin. Next on our list is the GPRC SeaLog 20 Analog FPV. If you are into FPV flying, this drone is a game changer with 600 MW VTX CADX Raytail 2 camera and a powerful Grid 13 5500 kV motor. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping experience. It's not just a toy, it's a full-fledged aircraft control toy. Let's hit the skies. Now, let's talk about the Zomi K6 Pro GPS drone. Equipped with an 8T HD camera, aerial photography capabilities, and a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, this drone is a photographer's dream. With obstacle avoidance and a max flight time of 28 minutes, it's perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. Ready to elevate your aerial photography game? Prepare for long-range exploration with the U4 GPS drone. Featuring an 8K HD professional camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 10-kilometer laser obstacle avoidance, this drone is a true mark. Reach maximum altitudes of 120 meters, enjoy a flight time of 45 minutes, and explore a remote distance of 10 kilometers. Let's see where the U4 takes us. Let's unfold the Mony Pro GPS drone. With a 6K HD dual camera, 2-axis anti-shake gimbal, and a flight time of 27 minutes, this foldable quadcopter is perfect for on-the-go adventures. Pixels above 6 million and a remote distance of 4 kilometers ensure you capture every moment in stunning detail. Ready to take off with the Mony Pro? We have the N9 Max drone. A powerhouse in the air with a 3-axis gimbal, FIGO HD camera, and GPS GLONASS's positioning, this drone is designed for precision and clarity. Enjoy a controlled distance of 3 kilometers, a flight time of 26 minutes, and seamless brushless performance. Let's take flight and see the world from a whole new perspective. Now let's dive into the world of micro drones with the Flywater Flyus Nano. This little beast packs a punch with its analog FPV featuring the Goku 45AO and 15,000 kV motor. With a staggering flight time above 30 minutes, this Nano drone defies expectations. Get ready for an adrenaline-filled, extended flight experience. The CFA Fly Faith Mini drone. A professional-grade flyer with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K video camera, and an impressive flight time of 26 minutes. Transmit your adventures up to 3 kilometers away, reaching a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. Which is, if you're into capturing high-quality aerial footage, the Faith Mini is the perfect companion for your creative endeavors. Switching gears to the AMX Tiny Hawk 3 Plus Freestyle, a versatile racing drone that doesn't compromise on performance. With a remote distance of 400 meters and a flight time of 10 minutes, this drone is built for thrilling racing action. Strap in and experience the adrenaline rush of FPV racing with the Tiny Hawk II Plus. Let's explore the 2022 Darwin FPV, a racing drone that's ready to take on the skies. Featuring a 7-inch frame, FIVOR FFT 50 4-in-1-esque, and a 1500 TBL camera, this drone is a powerhouse on the racetrack. While its flight time may be 10 minutes, the Darwin FPV delivers an immersive aerial photography experience like no other. Take flight with the Flyus 85203 light drone. This brushless whoop is designed for precision and maneuverability, providing a flight time of more than 10 minutes. As a type helicopter with 1080p HD video capture, it's a perfect blend of power and performance. Get ready to experience a new dimension of flight. Moving on to the TCM M Core 26 Mermaid, a racing drone kit that comes with the works. Equipped with an FE405 FCC 60ASKSC 600 MW VTEX, this Freestyle RC quadcopter is ready to tear up the skies with a remote distance of 3 km and a flight time of 10 minutes. It's a perfect companion for adrenaline-fueled racing and freestyle maneuvers. Now let's unfold the KYONE HERA 6 Max drone, a 10K 5G professional Wi-Fi dual camera marvel. With a flight time of about 28 minutes and 4K GAG video capture, this foldable quadcopter is all about capturing stunning visuals. The 6 km range ensures you can explore the skies and bring back breathtaking footage. Let your creativity soar. The GAN Drone with camera 4K, easy-to-fly GPS quadcopter perfect for beginners. With a brushless motor, 5S transmission, and auto-return home feature, this drone is all about simplicity and reliability. Enjoy a flight time of 20 minutes, 80 million pixels of clarity, and resistance to winds up to 20 to 30 km per hour. Ready for hassle-free aerial adventures? The L800 Pro 2 professional drone, featuring a 4K HD camera, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, and a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal. This drone is a powerhouse in the sky, with obstacle avoidance, a flight time of 25 minutes, and a remote distance of 1,200 meters. The L800 Pro 2 is designed for professional-grade aerial photography and exploration. Skies with the FYA8 Mini V2, a 4K professional drone with a staggering 9 km range. Its 3-axis gimbal camera ensures smooth and stable footage, while the Ultralight 250 G-Class design makes it a compact powerhouse with smart tracking features. And a resistance to wind speeds of 20 to 30 km per hour, this mini drone is ready for any adventure. Next on our journey is the Potensic Mini drone, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, 6 km GPS, and a professional 4K camera. This brushless RC toy quadcopter is perfect for travel and gifts, with a flight time ranging from 20 to 30 minutes, a remote distance of 6 km, and a quick 1.5-hour charging time. It's a versatile companion for capturing stunning aerial moments. Now, let's dive into the Zomi K6 Max drone, a professional-grade flyer with an 8K GPS system and 3 cameras for wide-angle optical flow and 4-way obstacle avoidance, boasting a max flight time of 27 minutes, a transmission range of 4 km, and an optical zoom of 50x. This quadcopter is designed for high-altitude adventures and detailed aerial exploration. Unfolding the 99K3 Pro HD 4K drone camera, featuring a high hold mode and a foldable design for easy portability. With a remote distance of 150 m, a flight time of 12 minutes, this mini RC Wi-Fi aerial photography quadcopter is perfect for capturing stunning visuals on the go. Let's explore the world through the lens of the N99K3 Pro. Let's explore a compact wonder. The mini drone with a 4K HD wide-angle camera with a flight time ranging from 10 to 20 minutes, a remote distance of 100 meters, and 4K G video capture, this mini drone is perfect for those quick, spontaneous aerial adventures. Let your creativity soar with this pocket-sized marvel. There you have it, folks. The top 20 budget drones. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, FPV lover, or just want to explore the skies, these drones have got you covered. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting drone content. Until next time, happy flying.